Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace speakers in Toyota Corolla, only way. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and removing the dash trim panels carefully. Use a panel removal tool to avoid scratching surfaces and keep screws in labeled containers. Remove the old speakers, check wiring connectors for corrosion, and fit the new speakers to the factory mounts. Reconnect wiring, test the speakers before reassembling, and replace trim pieces securely. Begin by lowering the window and locating all screws holding the door panel. Carefully pry the panel loose, starting at the bottom edge to avoid breaking clips, and disconnect any electrical connectors for switches. Once the panel is free, locate the speaker and unplug its connector while noting wiring colors or adapter harnesses. Unscrew the speaker from its mount and lift it out gently, inspecting the wiring and mount for any rust or damage before installing the replacement. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful car audio tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and handy voice features and makes a great companion while you tinker in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if it suits you. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new speaker into the factory mount and ensure the screw holes line up correctly for a flush fit. Use an adapter harness if the speaker connector differs, which preserves factory wiring and makes installation reversible. Tighten screws evenly to avoid warping the speaker frame, then reconnect the speaker harness and temporarily reconnect the battery to test sound and polarity. When satisfied, power down, reattach the door panel clips and screws, and verify operation of all controls.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.